Okay, so hello everyone. So I'm back again for another video tutorial. So this time we're gonna be discussing another topic in Kotlin programming, which is functions. Okay, so first of all, what is function? So in my own opinion, so a function is a set of code or a block of code in your program that performs a specific task. Okay. So in order for you to understand about functions, so let's give it a try. Let's have an example. Okay, so let's create a new Kotlin file class here. So I will name this as uh, functions. Functions. Okay, so let's create our main function first. Fun main. Okay, args. Oh, sorry, args, and then array. Oops, my god, sorry. Then string. Okay, so in all programming languages, functions is very powerful because, as I've said earlier, it performs a specific task in your program. So there are many ways to declare and create a function. So we'll gonna have the basic one, the very basic function. Okay, so in order to create, just have to type the word fun, okay, and then name your function, name of the function. For example, a sample message, okay, and then brackets and curly braces. For example, so this is now our function right here. So a specific block of code, okay. For example, we're gonna print a message statement. So hello, welcome to main course, okay. So in order for you to use the function, so you have to call it. So asam na to siya i-call. So we need to call it in our main function. So right here. So we need to call simply the function name. So sample message. And let's try and run it up. Okay, so as you can see, it outputted the hello, welcome to Kotlin course right here. So basically what we did here is we just created a simple function. The name of our function is sample message, and we just printed it out. We just printed a message right there. Okay, so this is just a basic function. So let's have another example. So for example, we're doing a math operations. For example, so fun addition. Okay, so for example, bar num1, then integer, then var num2 integer, and then for example 20, and then we're going to declare the result plus, okay, so just basic operation, and then we're going to print, okay, so the result. Then, okay, and call it our function. Okay, so as you can see, it outputted the value of 30 right here. It's because we basically add these two numbers right here, the 10 and 30. Okay, so let's add another function right here. Function subtraction. Subtraction. Okay, so the same. We're gonna use the same variable right here. So this is 10, 20 var num2 in 10. Okay, and then var result equals num1 okay minus num2, and then we're gonna print the result. Okay, print result, In this case, we're going to print this one. Okay, so run. Oops, print up. We're not calling the function right here. Okay, so basically call the function, run our application. Okay, so as you can see, it outputted the numbers 30 and 10. So what we basically did here, so we just have created two functions. The first function, it will basically do the addition of these two variables right here, the number 1 and the number 2. And the second function will do the subtraction. Okay, so the first one, the addition, and the second one is the subtraction. Okay, so again, guys, this is just the basic one of the Kotlin function. So let's try another example. So so this time we're going to use a function with a return value, with a specific value, functions with a return value. So let's create another function, another example. So fun, for example, addition, sample. Okay. So what we can do right here is we're going to create our variable, for example, num1, and then going to declare the data type, num2, integer, sorry, integer, oops, and then integer. So what we can do right here is create a variable result, and then we're going to add these two variables right here, num2, sorry, and then return whatever the value of there's return the specific value of the okay. And then let's call our function right here, sample 20. Second number will be for example 30. Okay, so basically it will just add up these two variables right here of the value 20 and 30. So we're going to print this one. It's going to let's run the application. Okay, so nothing. Okay, print. So we're gonna print the result. Okay, so let's try another. Okay, it's not printing anything. Okay, so we're gonna print just print statement right here. So that, and we will just copy paste this one. So let's try another. Okay, so as you can see, it already outputted right here. So another example. So let's create another function. Function sample subtraction. Okay, so another example. Do the same num2, num1. This time, let's go ahead and use the double data type, num2, and then double data type. Okay, and then double data type. Okay, so let's create another variable result. So hold num1 minus num2. Okay, and then we're going to return result. Okay, so let's try it here. So we may indent this one, print, and then sample subtraction, and then we're going to input the value 50 and another value which is 20. Okay, so let's try our application. Let's run application. Wait, happened? Uh, num1. Okay, sorry. Okay, so this is not an integer, so we basically declared a double float or data type here. Okay, okay, so my bad. Okay, so oops, printed out print line. So as you can see, it already printed out the 30.0 double value here. So first function printed out the 50. So basically just basically add these two numbers right there. So addition method is used in this line of code here, and the second one is basically a subtraction. Okay, so thank you for watching this video, guys. And if you have any questions, so feel free to comment below. So I'll discuss more about functions in this video in the next video. So thank you for watching, and bye bye for now.